It's a super Saturday shop with me. We're hitting up Homegoods. We're hitting up TJ Maxx. We're hitting up Five Below, Target, Old Navy, all in the same shopping center. Lots to do today, so let's go ahead and get started. I have a ton of things to get today, especially for my girls because they'll be going to summer camp soon. I have so many things to get that I made a color-coded Excel spreadsheet, Google Sheets, of the things that we need. Plus, we'll be having a big family cookout and gathering soon. So the things that I want to pick up for that. And so, yeah, we're going to have a lot of fun. But up first, let's go into Homegoods. This is cute. Inflatable ring game for the pool, $9.99. I love this picnic basket too. I think it's adorable. Which is it? $34.99. Looks like something from the movies, like movie set. Tug of War. That's cute. I literally just bought a giant Jenga game from Aldi, and this is $39.99. The one from Aldi was $39.99, but it came with a storage bag with it, which was really helpful. It was such a good deal. We love it so much. We've played it many times. We also bought Giant Connect 4 and cornhole. So that's pretty cool. I'm looking for like fast drying towels for my girls. You know, they swim competitively. And I'm looking for some like a quick dry towel and not like your normal kind of beach towel. Especially for like camp and stuff. I don't see any. I know Belk has some. I looked online, and so does Target. So, and there's both in this shopping center, which is nice. Okay, I found this. It says it's highly absorbent, and I can tell by the material it's like a quick dry. It's not very thick, which is helpful, and it's still very soft. Okay, not sure what that was, but anyway, this is $12.99, and I think the ones at Target are $15.99, so I think I'm just gonna get this one. I like the color, and she'll have a quick fast drying towel for swim camp. I love like plain white serving dishes. I just think it's classic. It goes with any theme, and it's pretty. Keepsakes. This round cake stand is $16.99. Do you guys ever come here for your cleaning supplies or hand soaps? Where am I at? I'm in Homegoods. I love the Homegoods store when it's separated from TJ Maxx because it's just way more stuff. But look at the price of this. It's only $2.99. This is like $5.99 at Target. I've never smelled the rosemary scent before, and it smells like straight rosemary. If you like that scent, you really like this. But the Wayman stainless steel cleaner is good. But you know what I started using on my stainless steel? Just plain, what is it called? Oh man, I have to think about it. Hold on. I can't remember, but I'll show you when I get home. Wow, this is a restocker's dream. Look at these drawers. Aren't they nice? $24.99 each. And then they have the smaller sizes. These are really nice. Like, I wouldn't even use this in my kitchen. I feel like, or the refrigerator. I would use it in like a closet or something. Very pretty though. Very, you can tell they're like well made. Very thick plastic, sturdy, and stackable. Gosh, you can make a closet beautiful with these. It's good to know. So this is $12.99 this size. The medium size is $19.99, and the larger one I just showed you is $24.99. Can get kind of pricey though if you're doing a whole closet. I need a new, smaller wooden cutting board. I have a big one like this, but sometimes I just don't want to use and dirty up a big cutting board. I have small plastic ones, but I'm noticing that the plastic is getting chipped up, and you know that those little pieces of plastic can get in your food, which is pretty gross. So I do want to get like a something that can fit in my drawer like this. This is $12.99. Teak wood. I think I like the darker colored one though. Let's see. Like this. It's pretty. These are so cute. Travel. Love it. How much is it? Oh no, it's cut off. tag. I don't know how much this one is. This one's on clearance for $10, which is cute. This one, that's like, feels like faux leather, is $12.99. I have some small ones here too. Oh look, these are on clearance. This is $12. Vacay. Oh, that's so cute. We are going on a family trip this year. Weekend. That's cute. That's $12. And then this one says stuff is $10. Also, I love their baskets. Love, love, love. Now, it's hard to find a matching basket, but if you need one pretty basket, like a standalone piece like this, $49.99. That's really pretty. Great for like blankets, pillows, in your living room or family room. Even in your bedroom or bathroom. Some people put their towels there. This is cute. I like that. And then the shoe rack is nice too. $79.99 on sale. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and go. I FaceTimed Zara to show her those little travel bags. She was like, "Mom, I already have 2. I don't need any more." And I said, "You're right, girl. Thank you so much." So I don't need any of those. So I'm gonna get ready to check out and go to the next store. I wanted to get a volleyball net for our backyard, but now I'm looking at something like this. Maybe this would be a little bit better. I have no idea what spike ball is. I'm assuming you have to throw the ball down on the net somehow. It's $29.99. Of course, they have the cornhole sets. I got my cornhole set for $29.99 from Aldi, which is a good price. And lots of giant Jenga. The inventory in here seems very sparse. I heard the lady say that their inventory is very low right now. I wonder if it's just a seasonal thing. Because I know like during the holidays, it's usually jam-packed in here. I was looking at these bath mats. I want to get some, I want to paint my half bath downstairs. I have no idea what color to paint a half bath. Like, I know like our toilet is off-white. It's like almost cream. And so is our door and the trim. So it has to match that. I have no idea. Leave any suggestions down below. This is pretty. What color is this? Is this like gray or cream? It's like a grayish. All right, let's head to Five Below and look for some toiletry stuff. You know, I'm so glad I thought to come here for toiletries because I forgot, like, their travel size stuff. It's cheaper than going to Target, especially with these, like, little containers, the silicone ones. That's really good for $1. It's even cheaper than the $1.25 tray, which is nice. I'm going to put, like, these little spray bottles. I have bug spray to put in. So I'm going to pick up a few things. Since when do they sell scrub mommies at Five Below? I wonder how much it is. I'm going to put one in my cart to see, because if it's cheaper than $3.99, that's the cheapest I've seen it. Okay, I found them, and I think they're $5, which is a little bit on the expensive side for one Scrub Daddy. Darn it. Look at the scrub noodles. They have the quirkiest stuff here. Now, the raw sugar brand is expensive, so $4 for this little small travel size. I'm gonna go ahead and get, just for the convenience, and some body wash. These little laundry bags are so cute. Wash me. They're nice size too. Really cute. I like it. Like the pink one and the blue one. It's really cute. Okay, I'm thinking, and it really doesn't make any sense for me to buy those $4, the body scrub by Raw Sugar and the body wash by Raw Sugar for $4. Like, what am I thinking? That's why I'm buying the decanters to put a big body wash in a small container, right? Because it doesn't really make any sense. I do like this little small container. It's cute. It's cute for the body scrub for her to take, and it's contained, so maybe I'll just get this one, and then her body wash at home, we just, this one's dirty, look at all that hair on there. We can just fill this one with body wash, and then that one with body oil, and then she has her lotion right there. We have a $12 bin here at Five Below with a metal plant stand in there, inflatable, 4 in a row. Huh. $25 hard-sided luggage. Okay, not mad at it. If they had the other colors here, I'd probably get a pink one for my girls. They only have black though. Have you guys ever used this personal misting fan? Changes colors, it has a timer on it. You fill it with water and add ice and it's a cooling mist. Does it work though? That's what I want to know. How much are they? 3 speeds. I think it's $12. It's a $12 bin. Oh, look at this washable rug. Cute. 4 feet by 5 feet. It's really cute. It is the $15 bin, along with this mirror, full-length mirror. Look at this little mini Dutch oven lunchbox. How randomly cute is it? I mean, it is adorable. Look at that. It's 2 levels. This part comes off. See? I think that is so cute. Hey, it's time to hit up TJ Maxx. This looks like it's the most crowded store so far. I love the colors of these water bottles. So cute. And it's like a rubber bottom with the metal. These are super cute. Whoa, this bag is $48. Why is it so expensive? Miss Gwen's OMG Accessories. They had these. This is the same company that was making the little travel bags, the cute little tween teenage travel bags, but $48 for this yoga bag. Yeah, no. This is a great price at $4.79 because this is like $7.99 at Target and Walmart. So I'm gonna get some for the house. I came in here for the dollar flip-flops. Girl, why are these flip-flops $3 on sale? Since when? I thought they always had like the dollar flip-flops. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you remember. Last but certainly not least, Target. Oh my gosh, look at me. I should have got a card. Why didn't I get a card? Now it's hard for me to film and I just dropped all my deodorant. All right. Why the heck did I spend $5 for this Scrub Mommy at Five Below when I could have gotten here for $3.89? This Target stays stocked. I'm telling you, the Target that's closer to my house and the Walmart have been out of the Scrub Mommies for some reason. But have you guys ever tried Poopery? It's on sale. I didn't realize how expensive it was. They used to sell it at Costco. I've seen it at Costco maybe 2 years ago, and I was like, but now I want to try it. So since it's on sale and there's a coupon in this Target app, I'm gonna go ahead and try it. It's time for me to go home. I was getting hungry in Target, smelling the Mrs. Meyer's scents. Okay, just for a point of reference, it is 4:13. I've been up here since 12:30. Like, really? So I am tired, I'm weak, I'm hungry. I had to get myself a little Slim Jim. That was like the only thing that was keto friendly in Target, like when you know you're going through the checkout line. But I have, sorry, this angle's so crappy. I don't have a stand for my car. I should be like this. Let's see. What was I saying? Oh, I pretty much have everything on my list, girl. All of this, I have the yes next to just almost everything. I just need to go to the Dollar Tree and get like 2 things from the Dollar Tree, and then girl, I am done. So it's a lot to unpack, so let me get home so I can show you everything I got. I'm at my last stop, y'all, the Dollar Tree. I can't wait to get home. I'm so tired and hungry. But anyway, have you guys at your Dollar Tree had any luck finding the Touchland dupe hand sanitizer? It's like a spray hand sanitizer here. It is hard to find. I've been looking and looking. Every single time I see a Dollar Tree, I stop and look. I have yet to find it. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you know what I'm talking about and if you have them at your Dollar Tree. Yep, this is the only hand sanitizer they have here. It really sucks. All right, y'all, I'm pooped. I'm home. Let me show you what I got. First up is Homegoods. From Homegoods, I got this over-the-door hook for swim camp, for my daughter to use at swim camp. I also got this quick drying towel. The over-the-door hook was $7.99. The quick drying towel was $12.99. And I'm curious to see if this is really quick drying. We'll see. And then I got myself the small cutting board. I think I mentioned in the store that I wanted a smaller wooden cutting board that I can put in my drawer. This was $12.99 as well. From TJ Maxx, I got this leave-in detangling spray for my braids. I got this Dr. Teal's Sleep Body Scrub. I didn't realize that this is like a salt-based body scrub though, so I like to typically use sugar, but it'll do. It was only $4.79. And then I got my daughter some socks, athletic socks. This was $7.99. This was $4.79, and this was $6.99, and this is normally like $15. Okay, up next is Five Below. Note to self, don't buy the Scrub Mommy from Five Below. It's cheaper at Target. Anyway, I got my daughter 2 t-shirts. They were $5.55 each. Very cute. I got this Wash Me laundry bag, travel laundry bag. I got some travel little dispensers and travel size stuff. This was probably the most expensive, like, I don't know if it was really worth it, but I just like the small travel size body scrub. And then these were like $2 each. The lotion and body oil. And then an empty spray bottle, the Scrub Mommy, and then a little mini first aid kit. This was $2. And a soap carrier, travel carrier. So, you know, it's Five Below. Everything adds up so quickly at Five Below. I can't remember how much I spent. Let's see. I spent $36 for this. With the Scrub Daddy, well, the t-shirts being $5.55 each, and then the Scrub Mommy being $5, which was, again, a ripoff. All right, from Old Navy, I bought this. The shorts were $7. The top was $5 for my daughter for pajamas. It's soft, you know, washable. Then I bought these pants because they were on clearance for 50% off of $19.99. It's the Yoga Flare pants. For my younger daughter, she likes these. And then I bought a pair of flip-flops. Again, they used to be $1. Now they were $3. I should have just waited and bought some flip-flops from the Dollar Tree. All right, from Target, I got this curl refresher. This is for my girls for their braids. I like to just spray this on their hair. I really like this Cantu for Kids line because it doesn't have any parabens, sulfates, or silicones, or phthalates, which is a plus. Yeah. Propylene glycol, all the yucky stuff. So, and it's cheap. This was only like $4.29 or something like that. I bought the Black Girl Sunscreen Kids, the spray can. I had it in the container, but it'll be so much easier with swim practice to just be able to spray this on, since they're in the summer swim league and their pool is outside and it's very hot here. Even though they swim in the morning, it'll just be easier for me to spray this on. I got some more Clorox Free and Clear Disinfecting Mist. I love this stuff. I love it so much because it doesn't have a strong scent. I mean, I don't use it on like cutting boards like it says to use, but just like if you're traveling in a hotel room, for sure, I spray it everywhere. I got some more Mrs. Meyer's Compassion Flower scent. I really, really like this scent, especially for the spring, summer. So this is like my go-to spring, summer scent. I love this brand of toothpaste. So, and I like the mouthwash for my kids, so I bought them some more mouthwash. Hand sanitizer, a little Vaseline. I bought 2 native deodorants. This is my fave, if you can find it. It smells so, so good. The Girl Scouts trefoil scent. This was on clearance for $6.29. And they're normally $12.99. So, and then when you buy 2, you got a $5 Target gift card. So I got a $5 gift card back for buying 2. So I bought 2 of these. I bought the Poopery. This was on sale for $8. And then I bought these Clorox disinfecting wipes, the thick texture. It's just easier to wipe down. They're nice and thick and keeps stuff clean. Oh, and I also got my daughter some underwear. So that was everything from Target. I think the most expensive thing I bought was the Black Girl Sunscreen. This was $12.99. But yeah, everything else wasn't too bad. Ooh, girl, I am pooped. Okay, I am set now for camp and everything else I needed to get today. Thank you guys so much for spending this Super Saturday shop with me today. I love you guys so much, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.